In 1951, Tibet became part of China. However, Tibet had its own autonomy and also a government which was in Lhasa, the capital of Tibet. The Dalai Lama was the leader of Tibet. In the next years, step by step, the Chinese began to take land from the Tibetans. The Tibetans didn't like this Chinese activity. They started a rebellion in 1956. Then other smaller rebellions continued. On March 10, 1959, a big rebellion against China began in Lhasa. The Chinese army used heavy weapons and destroyed the rebels. 85,000 Tibetans were killed in the fights. People around the Dalai Lama told him to leave the country. First, he didn't want to leave Tibet, but when the situation was really bad, he finally agreed. The Dalai Lama left Tibet secretly and with only a small guard. He went across the mountains to India. There he started a government in exile and began helping Tibet from abroad.